to Intelligence Gateway.
Art of the Start: Turning Ideas into High-Growth Business. Lecture 6. Building a Strong Team and Culture. 1. Identifying key team roles and responsibilities. 2. Hiring and retaining top talent. 3. Developing a strong company culture. 4. Building effective communication and collaboration. 5. Managing team dynamics and fostering innovation. Building a strong team and culture. Welcome, everyone! Today, we're going to talk about one of the most crucial aspects of any successful organization: building a strong team and culture. A strong team and culture can make all the difference in achieving your goals and staying ahead of the competition. It's about creating an environment where people feel valued, supported, and motivated to do their best work. When you have a strong team and culture, you'll see higher levels of engagement, productivity, and innovation. Identifying key team roles and responsibilities. Identifying key team roles and responsibilities is crucial for building a strong team. Each member of the team should have a clear understanding of their role and how it contributes to the overall success of the team. This not only helps improve productivity, but also fosters a sense of ownership and accountability among team members. Different roles and responsibilities can vary depending on the organization and project at hand. Some common examples include project managers, designers, developers, marketers, and customer service representatives. Each of these roles brings unique skills and expertise to the table, which ultimately leads to a more well-rounded and successful team. Hiring and retaining top talent. Hiring and retaining top talent is crucial for building a strong team. Not only does it bring in new skills and perspectives, but it also helps to maintain a high level of performance and productivity. To attract top talent, it's important to have a clear employer brand and a compelling job description that highlights the unique aspects of your organization. Additionally, offering competitive compensation and benefits packages can help to entice candidates to join your team. Once you have hired top talent, it's important to retain them by providing opportunities for growth and development, as well as creating a positive work environment. This includes offering regular feedback and recognition, providing challenging and meaningful work, and fostering a sense of community and collaboration among team members. Developing a strong company culture. Developing a strong company culture is essential for building a successful team. A company's culture sets the tone for how employees interact with each other and with customers, and can greatly impact the overall success of the organization. When employees feel valued and supported, they are more likely to be engaged and motivated, which can lead to increased productivity and better results. There are many different aspects of company culture that contribute to a strong team. For example, fostering open communication and collaboration among team members can lead to better problem solving and innovation. Encouraging a positive work-life balance can help reduce stress and increase job satisfaction. Providing opportunities for professional growth and development can help employees feel invested in their work and committed to the organization. By focusing on these and other key aspects of company culture, organizations can build a strong team that is poised for success. Building effective communication and collaboration. Effective communication and collaboration are essential components of building a strong team. Without these elements, team members may feel disconnected and unproductive, leading to a decrease in overall team performance. To improve communication and collaboration among team members, it's important to establish clear channels of communication and encourage open dialogue. This can be achieved through regular team meetings, one-on-one check-ins, and utilizing collaborative tools such as project management software or messaging platforms. Additionally, fostering a culture of trust and respect can go a long way in improving communication and collaboration within a team. Managing team dynamics and fostering innovation. One of the most important aspects of building a strong team is managing team dynamics. This involves understanding the different personalities and work styles of team members and finding ways to bring everyone together to work towards a common goal. One effective strategy for managing team dynamics is to encourage open communication and collaboration. By creating an environment where team members feel comfortable sharing their ideas and perspectives, you can foster a sense of trust and respect among team members, which can lead to increased productivity and better outcomes. Another key aspect of building a strong team is fostering innovation. This involves creating an environment that encourages creativity and outside-the-box thinking. One effective strategy for fostering innovation is to provide opportunities for team members to explore new ideas and take risks. This could involve setting aside time for brainstorming sessions or encouraging team members to experiment with new approaches to problem solving. By fostering a culture of innovation, you can help your team stay ahead of the curve and achieve greater success in the long run. Conclusion: building a strong team and fostering a positive organizational culture are vital for the long-term success of any business. A strong team consists of individuals who possess the right skills, experience, and attitude that align with the company's vision and values. By investing in effective recruitment, onboarding, and talent development processes, organizations can assemble a team that collaborates well, embraces diversity, and brings diverse perspectives to the table. Creating a supportive and inclusive culture is equally important, as it promotes employee engagement, productivity, and retention. This can be achieved through transparent communication, recognition of achievements, providing growth opportunities, and fostering a healthy work-life balance. A strong team and positive culture contribute to increased morale, teamwork, innovation, and ultimately, the organization's ability to adapt and thrive in a dynamic business environment.